Hello guys, welcome to how to fix tech. In this video guys, let me show you the error. If I want to open my camera here, I am not able to search it and there is no software of the camera. And if I have opened the camera in the device manager, it is itself is available, but it is not showing in the Windows search bar. You can see. So if this is the error, this video is for you. I will show how to troubleshoot this issue. So let's start. So guys, we need to install the camera through the Microsoft Store. Go to search bar, type there Microsoft Store, open that, and simply we need to install its app. It will work through the app, and on the search bar you need to type here Windows Camera. Let me type it, Windows Camera, and open the first link. This is the Microsoft. Click on Get. Now it will take some time, so I'm pausing the video for some time and then I will resume the video. Okay, it's downloaded now. So let me open the camera now. Okay, it is still not there. Okay, let me open it from here. It is installed. Click on open. Now it should come up. Okay, now you can see camera has come up and issue has been resolved, but it is not showing here. Okay, it's showing now camera. Okay, so issue has been resolved guys. So this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. You can see here the camera is coming now properly. So this is how you can troubleshoot this issue. So hope this video useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.